My name is Pretty and I am a six-figure seller on Amazon, and I want to talk to you guys about what has helped me become more successful on Amazon. Because you see, when I first started, I didn't take Amazon seriously and I didn't think I was gonna get rich off of it or just make enough money to actually quit my job and do Amazon full time. So I just didn't take it seriously, and that was my biggest mistake. Was number one, not having a clear vision of where I wanted to go and how I was gonna get there. So my first tip would be to have a 1, a 2, and a 5-year plan of where you plan to be or what you wanna accomplish in the next 5 years with Amazon. And that just puts you in a serious mindset, and you're able to just accomplish a lot more by actually having it written down and actually making it happen. So that was the first tip. The second tip that I definitely think helped me take my business to the next level was making sure that I only spent time consuming content that was FBA related. I know, like, it kind of sucks watching a lot of FBA videos, but if you're a new seller, you need to do your best in terms of trying to learn the business model, whether this is just binge watching, how to do different aspects of the business. So learning more just makes you more serious, and it helps you just grow as an Amazon seller. So again, I mentioned that I'm a 6-figure seller, almost a 7-figure seller. I probably will be starting 2023. I've generated $1 million in revenue on Amazon. And honestly, guys, if you don't take Amazon seriously, you'll never get to that 7-figure mark. I had to really start taking things more seriously and become about Amazon, and started figuring out how to be a better Amazon seller. And I'm still learning every single day, but I absolutely love sharing information with you guys because I want you to succeed. I want you to be the next Amazon success story, and I know you can do it. It just requires a lot of work and patience and persistence, and also courage, because you have to be able to bet on yourself and the product that you find. You have to validate it, and it's hard to validate products and greenlight them, but you absolutely can. And if you haven't checked out my Helium 10 tutorial, I kind of talk about how I find products. You could check that out. But again, if you haven't heard about Helium 10, you absolutely should be using it if you're trying to be a serious seller, because it just helps you validate products and also find products. You can use their tool Blackbox, and that's how I found my first product. So my tip number 3 would be to do research every single day, and do research for like 10 to 15 to 20 minutes every day, and get a lot of your ideas down on paper. And you want to pick the best ideas. So what I do is, like, I'll write down how much revenue this product makes, what can I innovate about this product or make it better, and then I'll also think about what my target audience is, and then how I could, is it even possible for me to compete? This is a process, and I break everything down over days and weeks, because for you to find that product that's going to be really profitable, you have to be willing to put the work in. So, again, you have to take things more seriously. You got to be a project manager, and you really have to stay organized if you're trying to find that product. Now, again, that was tip number 3, is just to get more serious, do product research every single day. I highly recommend Helium 10. It's just a great tool to have in your arsenal as a serious Amazon seller. If you want 10% off for a lifetime, you can click the link down below and use that code. I also have a code from them that will give you 50% off your first month. If you're not as serious as a serious seller would be, and you want to just try the software out, you can absolutely try it out, see if it helps you. You can use Blackbox to do product research. If you need keywords, use Magnet. You can really dive deep into your competitor's listing, and also look at your own listing and figure out what's missing and compare it. So it's just such a great tool, and I'll be making more tutorials on that. Again, you guys can check out my Helium 10 tutorial playlist right here. But for now, I want to move on to the last and final thing I want to talk about. Have a clear vision of where you want to go in the future. So, as a beginner, you want to have a 1 year, a 2 year, just a kind of idea of what you want to do, how many products you want to launch. You need to set dates for yourself if you're actually trying to get serious about it. I actually use Asana that helps me kind of, schedule things out for me. And that is a great tool that I also use as well, just to stay organized. And, when it comes to having a clear vision, you don't have to be perfect, but you do want to have guidelines of where you want to be. So, Amazon is an obstacle course, and, sometimes you're waiting on a supplier to send something. Sometimes you're waiting on, your product pictures to be done. Sometimes it's you trying to get your listing up, UPC codes, SKUs. There's so many moving parts when it comes to building an Amazon business, which is why it's hard. But I absolutely know you can do it if you put your mind to it and if you stay disciplined and work on it every single day. So speaking on work on it every single day, that was tip number 2. Make sure that you are consistently doing product research every single day. If you're trying to find a product, you must do product research. And of course, I recommend Helium 10. I really talk about Helium 10 with such pride because they helped me find my first product through their software tools. And that just really set me up for success. And ever since, I've been using it for keyword research. It's just so essential if you're trying to be an Amazon seller. And we're so lucky being a newer generation of Amazon sellers. We have tools to help us. Imagine selling on Amazon in like 2010 or 2008 when there was no tools or very little tools. So I really think Helium 10 is a blessing. The last thing I want to say is just you have to commit to actually being an Amazon seller. So, I stopped hanging out with friends who wanted to go out and party. I was more interested on focusing on my business and really just learning more and putting more into my business. So I isolated myself from the naysayers, from the doubters. My own family didn't believe in me. There's always going to be people that doubt you, but you have to believe in yourself, and God did too. So, you really want to make sure that you stay laser focused on your goals, and you will absolutely get there. You just need to have a plan. And if you guys have any questions, you can leave them down below. I will answer as many as possible. And I hope you guys find that product. You can make thousands per month with that product. It just takes time to find it, and really just it requires a lot of discipline and consistency. Like I said, these are some mistakes that I made in the beginning. I wasn't focused. I didn't have clear goals. I wasn't really about it. I was just doing it as kind of like a hobby. Didn't really believe in it. So what I want you to do is change your mindset. If you want to be a serious seller, you need to focus on consuming as much information about Amazon and the whole process. And so that's one of the reasons I started this YouTube channel. I really want to put out helpful content out there that will help someone become successful, because there's so many YouTubers that have helped me in my journey, and I want to be one of them for you. So I hope you guys have found this video helpful. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, leave me a comment down below and let me know what I can improve on. But for now, I hope you have a really profitable day. Make sure you have a productive day as well, and I will catch you in the next video.